Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can use Remitly to send money from USA to Bangladesh. At first you need to head over to Remitly. Now wherever it says sending to country, you need to search for Bangladesh over here and then select on Bangladesh and wait for this page to load up until it says Bangladesh one more time. As you can see, it says Bangladesh. Even though it was already Bangladesh, you cannot see it. But after that, what you need to do is tap on send money over here and wait for the main transfer page to load up. Now over here, what you need to do is put in the amount of USD that you want to send, and then delivery method is how would you like the money delivered. It means whoever is on the opposite side, how would they receive this money. Let's say if it's a bank deposit, you select bank, and payment method is how are you wanting to pay it. If it's debit card or credit card, it transfers is only 25 minutes. If it's bank account, then only 3 to 6 days. Let's say you select debit card and then you hit on continue. From there, you're just going to put in all of the details that you have, and this is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.